Hi guys, it's Mrs. Martin. Today we're going to do some word problems, some math word problems with addition and subtraction. Alright, so I hope you've been working on your packets and you've been practicing that addition and subtraction with your equations because it's going to help you with our word problems today. Alright, so here's our kindergarten steps to solving word problems. Alright, first we read the problem, right? Read the problem or have the problem read aloud to you. Then you draw out the problem. So you take the numbers that you hear in the word problem, draw them out, and then you solve the problem. Okay, remember there's different strategies and ways we solve our problems, our addition and our subtraction. And we're going to practice those ways today when we do our word problems. And then you write the answer. All right, easy enough. Okay, let's go to our first problem. So if you want to pause the video right here and get paper and a pencil, you'll need lots of paper and a pencil to do these word problems. We can do them together, okay? So if you want to do that, pause the video now and go get your paper and pencils and we can work through these word problems together, okay? All right. Here is our first problem. So step one, we're going to read the problem. I'm going to read it to you. It says, Ava has 3 balloons. Micah has 2 balloons. How many balloons do they have all together? Okay. Ava has 3 balloons. Micah has 2 balloons. How many balloons do they have all together? Now, I'm going to think about what kind of problem this is. I remember when we were in school and we were learning about addition and subtraction, I remember if it says how many they have or all together, if something's talking about all together, how many you have, that's going to be addition. So this is going to be an addition problem. And when we're talking about addition, think about it. What are we doing with our numbers when we talk about addition? Are we putting them together or taking them away? So we want to know how many balloons we have all together. Yes, so we're putting our numbers together. So this is addition, we're putting our numbers together. Now, I need to draw the problem. It said Ava had how many balloons? Yes, Ava had 3 balloons. So let's draw Ava's balloons. Sometimes this is the fun part when you're doing word problems because then you can draw it out with pictures or you can just do circles if you want to be quick. Okay, Ava has 3 balloons. Here's Ava's balloons, 1, 2, 3. Micah has how many balloons? Yes, Micah has 2 balloons. So here's Micah's balloons. Okay, Ava's balloons and Micah's balloons. All right, now step 3, we need to solve the problem. How can I solve this? How can I figure out how many balloons Ava has and how many balloons Micah has? What can I do? Yes, I want to figure out all together, right? So I can just count them. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sometimes a good mathematician always checks their work. You can double count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So they have 5 balloons all together, right? Write our answer. There's our answer. 5 balloons. Now, how can I make this into an equation? Right? Our number sentence. Ava has 3 balloons, so 3. Micah has 2 balloons, right? So we added Ava's 3 balloons to Micah's 2, so 3 plus 2 equals, and our answer is 5. So you can write that on your paper. 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, good job. That was our first problem. Now, we're going to move on to our second problem. Ooh, this one deals with apples. I love apples. Apples are a good snack to have. I'm sure you guys are having plenty of snacks while sitting at home. All right, here's our problem. Get your paper ready. Stella has 4 apples. Goliath has 6 apples. How many apples do they have all together? Okay. Stella has 4 apples. Goliath has 6 apples. How many apples do they have all together? Yeah, you've got it. There's that word, all together. So that means we're going to put our numbers together. This is another addition problem. Okay, let's draw it out. Stella has how many apples? Yes, Stella has 4 apples. Here we go, Stella. Here's your apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and Goliath has, yes, Goliath has 6 apples. Okay, Goliath, let's make your apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we want to know how many apples they have all together. All together. Stella has 4, Goliath has 6. It's going to be like what we did with our other problem with the balloons. We want to know all together, so we're going to count them. Help me touch and count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, how many apples does Stella and Goliath have? They have 10. They have 10. And then let's go ahead and write the word apples. 10 apples. Okay. Let's see. Can you make the number sentence for this? Let's see. Can you make the number sentence? What plus what equals what? What numbers were we using? How many apples did Stella have? Yeah, 4. 4 plus how many Goliath had? 6 equals how many apples all together? 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Very good, boys and girls. You're doing very good. All right, here we go. Next word problem. Ooh, this one looks fun. All right, get your paper ready. Here we go. Bryson has 8 basketballs. Ooh, that's a lot of basketballs, Bryson. 2 basketballs roll away. How many basketballs does Bryson have left? Let's read that again. Think about what you may have to do in this problem. Think about, is it addition or is it subtraction? Are we putting numbers together or taking numbers away? Listen very closely. Bryson has 8 basketballs. 2 basketballs roll away. How many basketballs does Bryson have left? Let's see. Addition or subtraction, boys and girls? What do you think? I think subtraction. And this is why. Because we want to know how many he has left. Anytime you hear in a word problem how many somebody has left, that means you took some away. And you want to know how many they have left. Okay? Bryson started off with 8, but 2 roll away. They roll away, so that tells me 2 are gone. We take away 2. Okay? So let's draw our problem out. Let's get the orange because he had basketballs, right? Bryson had 8 basketballs. So draw your 8 basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, Bryson, there's your basketballs. 8 basketballs. Uh-oh. How many roll away? How many do we have to take away? They're no longer there anymore, so we have to take them away. They rolled away. How many? Yes, 2. 2 roll away. So just like we do when you're solving your subtraction problems with your equations, you draw it out, and we're going to do the cross-out method. So we're going to cross out 2 basketballs because we no longer have them. Then we're going to circle what we have left, And that's how we're going to figure out our answer, okay? So we had 8 basketballs. 2 of them rolled away. Goodbye, goodbye. Maybe we'll get some later. Okay, how many basketballs does Bryson have left? How can we figure that out? What can we do? Yes, we're going to count. Let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many basketballs does Bryson have left? 6. Yes, Bryson has 6 basketballs left. Okay, now if I wanted to put this into a number sentence, I start with the big number I started with, right? 8. How many rolled away? How many did we take away? 2. Yes, 8 take away 2. And how many were we left with? You got it, 6. So 8 take away 2 equals 6. All right, good job. Okay, the next one. Man, you guys are doing so good at this. I'm so proud of you. Oh, one of my faves. This one deals with cupcakes. Raise your hand if you like cupcakes. I do. I love cupcakes. Strawberry cupcakes are my fave. All right, so here we go. Here's this problem. Get your paper and pencil ready. Inaya has 7 cupcakes. Juliana ate 3 of them. Oh, Juliana was hungry. How many cupcakes does Inaya have left? Okay, think about it. What words do you hear that may help you know if this is addition or subtraction? I'm going to read it again. Inaya has 7 cupcakes. Juliana ate 3 of them. How many cupcakes does Inaya have left? Addition or subtraction? What do you think? It's going to be subtraction because Inaya started off with this many, but Juliana ate this many, and they want to know how many we have left, right? Okay, when you eat something, it's gone. So we know that she ate them, they're gone. They want to know how many we have left. So it's a subtraction problem, okay? Inaya has 7 cupcakes. So we need to make 7. You can draw your cupcakes. I'm just going to do circles. I said I like strawberry cupcakes, so I'm going to do pink circles for my strawberry cupcakes. All right, Inaya has 7 cupcakes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Inaya has 7 cupcakes. But she was so nice enough to invite Juliana over. This really didn't happen. It's just our story I'm making up. And Juliana says, oh, I love cupcakes, Inaya. May I have some? And Inaya says, oh, sure, Juliana. And Juliana ate 3 of them. Juliana ate 3 of them. So what do you need to do, boys and girls, with your cupcakes down here? How are we going to solve this problem? Yeah, we're going to have to cross out 3. We had 7. Juliana ate 3, so we're going to have to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Circle our leftovers. How many cupcakes does Inaya have left? Let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Inaya has 4 cupcakes. Okay, now I want you to put it into our equation, our math sentence here. What, take away what, equals what? Let's fill in the blanks using our numbers. Inaya had how many cupcakes? 7. So 7, take away. How many did Juliana eat? How many went away? 3. So 7 take away 3 equals what? How many cupcakes do we have left over? 4, yes. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Very good. All right. Oh, da, 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 da. Here's the time of the day for a challenge. You know I love challenges. I love making your brain work a little bit harder. So we have 2 challenge questions, okay? I'm going to read it, and then I want you to try and figure it out before I solve it, okay? So I'm just going to read it, and then I'm going to give you some time to figure it out, okay? So, here's challenge question number 1. Max and Emily go to the beach. Ooh, how fun. Max finds 10 seashells. Emily finds 8 seashells. How many seashells do they have all together? Ooh, kind of got some bigger numbers in this problem. Okay, I'm going to read it again. Max and Emily go to the beach. Max finds 10 seashells. Emily finds 8 seashells. How many seashells do they have all together? Okay, pause the video. Okay, pause the video, work out this problem, and then press play to see if you did it correctly, okay? All right, so I hope that you paused the video. You have your work in front of you. I'm gonna work this problem out, and you're gonna check your work to see if you did it correctly, okay? Max and Emily, they went to the beach. Max found 10 seashells, so I'm gonna draw out 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And Emily found 8 seashells. I'm going to get Emily another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Max's seashells, Emily's seashells, and they want to know how many they have all together. I already knew they wanted me to add them because I saw all together, right? I heard all together, so I know I'm going to add. So, Max has 10, Emily has 8. I want to know how many all together. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They have 18 seashells. 18 seashells. Ooh, this really reminds me of those team numbers, right? We have a group of 10, 10, and 8 more. One group of 10, 8 more, that's 18. All right, 18 seashells. Okay. And let's write our number equation, our equation, okay? 10 plus 8 equals 18. There's that one. All right, moving on to the next one. We're going to do it the same way. I'm going to read it a couple times. You're going to pause the video, work it out on your own, hit play, and check your work, okay? Here we go. Shady has 12 cookies. She gives Mason 5 cookies. How many cookies does Shady have left? Ooh, addition or subtraction? Let me see. Kind of working with some big numbers still. Shady has 12 cookies. She gives Mason 5 cookies. How many cookies does Shady have left? So in my mathematician mind, she gave some away, so she doesn't have them anymore, and they want to know how many she has left. So that's, what do you think? Okay, pause the video, work it out on your own, press play to see if you have the right answer and to check your work. All right, I I hope you've paused the video, you've done your work, and we're going to check it. We're going to go through this together, check your work. Shady has 12 cookies. I need to draw 12 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? 12 cookies. All right? How many did she give away? How many did she give away? First, let me go back. Rewind. Let me go back. Addition or subtraction? This is subtraction. This is subtraction, okay? Because she is giving away. She's taking her numbers away, right? They're taking them apart. She has 12 cookies. She gives Mason 5 of them. So 5 cookies got to go away. So this is subtraction. So we're going to use our cross-out strategy to solve this, okay? Now, we have our 12 cookies. She gave Mason 5. Yes. Okay, how many does she have left? Let's figure it out. Let's cross out the 5 cookies she gives to Mason. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the cookies Mason ate. These are how many Shady has left. Let's count how many Shady has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She has 7 cookies left. All right? 7 cookies. Good. Now, let's see. I don't know if you did it or not, but let's make our equation. Okay? What's the first number? The big number. 12. Ooh, another T number. 12. Okay, how many were taken away? How many cookies were taken away? 5. 12 take away 5 equals what? How many were we left with? 7. So 12 take away 5 equals 7. All right, very good, boys and girls. That's all I have for you today for our word problems. Keep working on your packets, doing your work, having fun, and having all those good snacks. Talking about this food makes me hungry. Maybe I'll go have some cookies. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.